I was never the one to write up a song for just anyone. I was always the one to find myself lost in long conversations.
Small space living offers unique challenges and wonderful opportunities. You might have limited ways to arrange the layout, but you still have lots of sneaky ways to make your space feel more spacious than it is.
You're making me wanna try forever, and I feel so free. Oh, my sweet baby.
I don't know about you, but I'm all about light and airy spaces when it comes to decorating a home. Painting your walls white or any light color automatically makes a small room feel more open and bright, especially if that room has very little natural light.
Glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better.
Bold designs on printed bed sheets will fill a space visually heavy, especially in small rooms. So choose small stripe or a simple two-tone design bed sheets, which in turn creates a calmer and more spacious feeling bedroom.
I'm thinking out loud, we won't need nothing else for the rest of our time.
On the other hand, heavy printed curtains can easily make a small room appear even more smaller and clumsy.
Glue all the pieces back together.
So opt for light and airy drapes which don't block the natural light coming into a room.
I feel so free. Oh, my sweet baby.
Create a focal point. Let me start by explaining what actually a focal point is. It could be a huge decor on the wall, or a wall itself with a wooden panel, or a floor mat, or even it could be a piece of furniture that looks stunning. Now, what do you think is the accent in this room?
Along and prove me all wrong. I was so mistaken. 'Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my.
It's impossible to tell, right? Because there are too many. When there are too many things in the same space, you end up seeing none of them well enough. The thumb rule is to have just one or two accent pieces or focal points in a room, and the rest of the elements in the room must support that accent but not draw attention away from it.
It's so clear, and now that you're here, I see colors in every spectrum. Guess I finally learned my lesson. 'Cause you glue all the.
It's important to choose the furniture that fits the scale of the room. Here we are dealing with small rooms. In such cases, one large piece feels more spacious than several smaller pieces. For example, instead of stuffing your living room with several sectional sofas, which looks bulky and occupies the maximum space, you can simply opt for a simple three-seater sofa with a center table.
For the rest of our.
Or if you need more seating space, you can go for an extra long unsectional sofas like this.
'Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you.
The next trick is used by all the home decorators everywhere. Adding a few well-placed mirrors will reflect light and create the illusion of space in small rooms. The bigger the mirror, the more space it will appear to create. Think carefully about the angle of the room you want to reflect. For example, placing a mirror opposite a window will bring both natural light and greenery into a smaller rooms.
I'm a sweet baby.
I hope you found this video helpful and subscribe to my channel for such more videos. Thank you so much for your time.